So it's Luxury Fred, and we're in London. And sometimes when I travel, I want more than a hotel. And this is my second experience here in London with a group of properties called Cheval. And they are luxury serviced residences. So it's like apartments, but you can rent them by the day or the week, as well as much longer term periods. So last time I was in London, I stayed at one of their amazing properties, which is called Cheval Three Keys, directly across from the Tower of London. And now I am staying at another one of their properties called Cheval Thorney Court, and we are here in the heart of Kensington, in the dome of Royal Albert Hall, right over there. And right across the street on the other side of the building is this amazing patio that is all part of this apartment. So if you know London, you know space is at a premium and you find real little tiny hotel rooms. Well, I'm going to show you a very large one-bedroom apartment with a kitchen and a dining room and a living room. And in addition to all that stuff inside, look at this enormous patio out here. Again, this is the patio for this apartment, this whole thing. So although it's cold right now, imagine if it wasn't cold, and it'd be a great place to have a picnic or have a meal out here on the table or morning coffee, what have you. Again, we're at Cheval Thorney Court here in Kensington in London, and it's late in the afternoon. You can see the sun setting over there. And again, we're here in the heart of Kensington, a very exclusive upscale section. Start out with this beautiful living room. I like how each of the Cheval, there's I believe 7 Cheval properties throughout London, and each of them is kind of unique and appropriate to the area in which it is. So we are in Kensington, kind of elegant and classy, and so you have great kind of British traditional design in this apartment. Beautiful furniture and artwork, and just really a beautiful space to be in. So again, we start out with this living and sitting room area with this great window that's leading on out to the patio outside. We have a fireplace here with some Cocker Spaniel dogs. Moving on, we have a great dining room here. This also has a door access to the patio over there. So again, we have a dining room, we have a little desk and workspace over here. Love the artwork, a lot of prints of old London, showing the areas where we're staying and kind of the areas around here, around Hyde Park and Kensington. Moving on into the foyer here, you will see another one of the amazing features of this and all of the different Cheval units is this is an apartment and we have a full kitchen. Not a little kitchenette, it's a full kitchen. So we have a table, and Cheval always welcomes you with this little tray of kind of local treats to eat. We have some tea, we have cookies, granola, chips, biscuits, and these are all local London brands. Another thing that I like is when you check into one of the Cheval residences, you get this whole package of information and things like that that has everything about the unit and the apartments here. You have lists of restaurants that are local in the area, and we're in Kensington, so there's a lot of things right within walking distance. You have a tube map to help you get around, and something very cool that they include is a jogging map. So we're here again at the Cheval Thorney Court, and this shows some jogging tracks right outside. Again, we're right across the street from Hyde Park. This amazing apartment has a second patio or balcony off the kitchen here. And again, some beautiful views over London. And again, this is a full kitchen, and it comes complete with dishes for you to use and silverware and things like that. We've got a dishwasher here, and something great for travelers. We have a washer dryer right here, a full stove, a Krupp's Nespresso maker, a microwave oven, and then we have a refrigerator here. And something also that I like is when you check into any of the Chevals, they put some water and milk in the refrigerator for you. You can obviously call ahead with some requests and they'll fill it with whatever that you need. And also, if you'll note that the appliances are all, excuse me if I'm saying this wrong, Miele, very good quality appliances. Everything is by that brand. So, again, have this great kitchen to use. Continuing on the tour, as I was saying, you've got some great art prints of, well, actually that's ancient Rome, but some of the other stuff that I've seen on the wall over here. You have a very old print of the Tower of London there. Vase, nice furniture. Over here we have a guest bathroom or powder room. Very nice marble surfaces and beautiful cabinetry here in the guest bathroom. Moving on, this can be a 2-bedroom apartment. If you want to rent it like that, this is another bedroom in there. Here we have a big hall closet with some cleaning stuff. They do have maid service for the apartments, just like a luxury hotel. Here we have the master bathroom. Again, beautiful marble countertop, very nice cabinetry here. We have a shower and a large bathtub here, toilet, bidet, and something else I love that a lot of luxury hotels in London have is a heated towel bar. So when you get out of the shower, the towels are warm and toasty. So again, the master bathroom here. And final part of the tour is the beautiful big bedroom. Nice king-size bed here. Big windows, again, looking out onto Kensington. And if you can see, we've got Hyde Park, again, is right there in front of the building on the other side. This is the master bedroom. We are at the Cheval Thorney Court Apartments here in Kensington. Just one of 7 Cheval luxury service apartments that are located throughout London, and I think it's a great alternative to kind of just a regular luxury hotel. Of course, if you're visiting with a family, you can all stay together and really have an authentic London experience with your own kitchen and being able to cook and things like that, as opposed to going out all the time. Again, along with all this great space, living space, so that you're not cramped into a little room that, you know, you can fit a bunch of people in here. And these apartments, in addition to being for short-term rentals for travelers and tourists, they have long-term residents here, both corporate guests that stay for a couple months, and there are other people that just like to live here, that have lived here for years. And what I find is, as different than a hotel, is the staff builds much more of a relationship with the guests, because in most cases they see the guests every day over and over again. So it's not like just checking into a hotel where they know you'll be gone in a couple days. Really get bespoke, to use that word correctly, good bespoke service from them. And again, this is my second experience staying at a Cheval property. Had a great time at Cheval Three Keys, which is an amazing new property right across the street from the Tower of London. or right next to the tower. So again, it's Luxury Fred, and we'll finish up the tour where we started on this big spacious patio, again here at Cheval Thorney Court Apartments here in Kensington in London. Thanks for watching. You can read about my experience at luxuryfred.com. Check out highlights in pictures at my Instagram at luxuryfred, and check out my other travel videos here on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.